Did you know Walmart does drone deliveries? Check it out. Over the past 2 years of putting their drone delivery to the test, Walmart has already completed over 20,000 successful deliveries. In January, Walmart made a big announcement that it plans to expand drone delivery to an additional 1.8 million homes in Texas by the end of 2024, offering drone delivery for up to 75% of the Dallas-Fort Worth population. The drone delivery expansion includes stores across more than 30 towns in the Metroplex, marking the first time a U.S. retailer has offered this service to this many households in a single market. Deliveries are powered by on-demand drone delivery providers Wing and Zipline. Walmart's drones currently operate in 7 states with 36 delivery hubs, with big plans on expanding more in the future. Soon, Walmart will even begin making drone delivery an option on its product detail pages on its mobile app, and intends to make the deliveries 30 minutes or less. Deliveries cost $3.99 for each 10-pound parcel, which is going to be an extremely competitive price considering you don't need to tip delivery drones like you would a delivery driver. This is great for you and not so great for DoorDashers. According to the company, the most popular items for their drone delivery service is paper towels, Red Bull, rotisserie chicken, cookies, and ice cream. The delivery radius for stores offering the service is up to 10 miles and can deliver in as little as 10 minutes. Customers can order thousands of items ranging from baby wipes to birthday candles, and makes for a great last-minute option for people forgetting items for parties or are too sick to leave the house. Right now, the drone delivery hubs are already located in Arizona, Arkansas, Florida, North Carolina, Texas, Utah, and Virginia. With this huge expansion in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, I'm expecting to see their delivery drone hubs sweeping the states within the next few years. Thank you for watching, and to stay up to date on future content, hit that like and subscribe button to get notified when a new video drops. Until next time, save that money.